All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. Welcome back to another stream. Let me just get this up a little bit. Let me know if you guys can hear me all good. I'm switching on my Mac now, so I've just got streaming software all set up on here, so hopefully you guys can hear me all good. Let me just get this back on as well. Where are we at? Let me get this up. Let me just see how this sounds quickly. All right, cool. It should be all right. Perfect, there we go. 7 people tuning in so far. I'll let everyone wake up first. Before we start breaking down the charts, let me just get the Zoom guys in. Zoom. Invite, copy. All right, cool. There we go. I hope we've got 10 people in the building, 6 likes. Appreciate you guys liking. Remember, why is my video gone so small, man? What the hell? Boom. There we go. Let me just adjust this a bit. Okay, there we go. That wire is really fucking annoying. Alright, 10 people, 6 likes. Alright, guys. Let me know if you can hear me all loud and clear, and we'll get started in a second. Let a few more people jump on a little bit early. Markets are moving. Got gold moving. Gold just had a very nice quick 16 pip spike to the highs. Very, very nice. Right, let me just tell everyone we're live. Do, 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 do. 15 people tuned in, 8 likes. As soon as we get 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen with you guys. Let me just get the Zoom guys all in and ready. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys have had a good start to the week. I'm excited to jump back on again. And I've been going through all the old YouTube lives and putting together the journal of the trades that we've taken on stream. And we've had a fantastic win rate. In June alone, on the YouTube live streams, we had about an 81% win rate, which is fucking fantastic. Fantastic win. We had like 2 losses on stream, and the losses were like minus 8 pips across both of the 2 losses. So incredible month. Ready back to get an even better month in June as well. Personal record for June right now is I've taken about 3 positions. Let me just get my journal up. Let me get my journal up. So yeah, June so far, where are we? That's May. June so far, taking 1, 2, 3, 4 positions in June, sitting around 3 wins, 1 L, and 92% win rate for June so far. First trade 20 pips, second trade 67, third trade 26, and then fourth trade -2. So very, very good start to June as well. 20 people tuned in. On likes, guys. One more like, I'll start sharing my screen, and we'll start breaking down these charts. Let me get everyone in. Alright, let me start sharing my screen. The boys are in. The boys are in. Look at that, 10 likes. Alright, let's do it, YouTube. Let's do it. Yo, Antonio, what's going on, man? Yo. Sebastian, good to have you here, man. Good to have you guys here. YouTube, guys, drop a little like, comment. Let me guys know you can hear me all good. Alright, let me start sharing my screen. Why is my video so small? Alright, there we go. Cool. I think we should be on. No, why can I not hear? Right there. Why is there no audio on this? Sorry guys, give me 2 secs. I don't think there's any audio on this YouTube. You can hear audio okay? Maybe it's just my side. Audio on this YouTube. Cool, alright, fine. Well, it says to my side that there isn't, but as long as you guys can hear me, all good. You guys can zoom on, can hear me alright? Working now, got no sound mine. Nice one, cool. Thanks Ron, thank you man. Right, let me let a few more people in. Cool, alright. Gold just had a little spike up. A little cheeky 20 pips spike on gold in the past couple of minutes. 30 minutes still in this range. Got 2 more people joining the stream. We've got GJ up here. Let's get oil up here actually. Let me see if I can get GJ, see if GJ is actually worthwhile trading today. Quite a big range that. Not interested in GJ.
News today, isn't it? This morning. So GJ might move.
What is there? Not that I can see.
What the heck have I got a miner?
Oil had a nice little push up. Let's see how oil closed on the daily. Ooh, nice big wick on oil. Alright, let's start breaking down gold on the daily. Let's clean up everything. Let's get gold on the daily. Start breaking this down. No moves over here. Who else is joining? 2 people joining. Lewis is joining. Sweet. Alright, yeah, gold on the daily. So Monday on gold has broken back above 1950, closed a nice strong bullish candle after tapping into this weekly support. And then yesterday's gone quite doji because we're back around this resistance again of like 1970. So gold is stuck in between a very, very big daily range. If we look at gold on the weekly, you know, we're throwing this nice big 3-pin pattern to the lows now. We've grabbed that previous weekly low, having a nice strong push up. 4-hour time frame on gold, had a nice push down, came back into this support region, had a nice strong push up, and then pretty much since Monday, gold hasn't actually done anything. I do think gold can potentially come up and grab this 4-hour low, maybe create this left shoulder head and right shoulder before rolling over. So if anything today, I would like to see gold break back to the upside and come and retest some of these levels. On on the hourly though, I don't think Asia has done anything now. Gold on the hourly, bearish, bullish, bearish. Currently printing bullish early on into this candle. So gold is very, very difficult right now. I took a very minor scalp in Asia on this little long back up into this double top that got grabbed before it then pushed back down. Oh, I did. A very, very small position though. It was only like, I think it was like 8 pips or some shit. It was fucking tiny. Yeah, 9 pips. But yeah, gold is what you got. Resist. Yeah. I like that. Yeah, pretty much the same on the hourly. If we can break either way, I don't really care. If we break above this resistance, yeah, we got nice volume to push up into, back up into here, 75 pips. Or if we come and break, support maybe down here, then you got 100 and potential 170 all the way down there as well. So as soon as we do get that volume, and as soon as gold breaks out this range, there's going to be some nice plays. But as it stands right now, we have to be very, very careful. Very, very careful on gold.
Yeah, I don't even make $1.
Yeah.
I might have 2 golf memberships going, I make those $1.
It's got to be done. It's got to be done.
It's gotta be.
And we got a little. That's tiny. I'm only up like $90 on the day, which is tiny. Tiny.
$90 a day?
$90 is $90.
Might as well go back to a 95 if that's what you're making.
Oi! There's no need for that now, is there? I'll get this up there.
Serious question now.
Yeah.
If you, Lewis, you can jump on this as well. If you made like the same wage, the exact same wage that you did with a 9 to 5 in trading, would you go back to the 9 to 5 because it's most of
Dude, I would do it off that.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh yeah, it's just.
Even if I'm making 50 quid a day, I'm not going to a 9 to 5.
Yeah. I got asked that question at work and I just laughed. So I was wondering what.
Someone asked you that at work. That's a bit of a. How do you say, that's a bit of a dickish way to say you're not making. Basically, are they trying to say that you should be earning more? Otherwise, what's the point?
Yeah, I didn't think right ask how much money you're making.
Yeah,
I didn't tell her how much I was making, but she just asked. She's like, "Oh, so what if you made that amount? Like, if you made the exact same amount?" I just laughed and I'm like, I said, obviously, said if I made 50, I said 50 quid every single day.
Yeah.
Consistently, every single day, without fail, I'd be gone.
Oh yeah.
I said, it's okay, working 1 to 2 hours for 50 quid, or working a full shift for 80 quid. I'm gone.
That was always my kind of goal. Is I was like, you know what? Even if I'm making fucking 50% less than what I would in a 9 to 5, but I can afford to sustain my life, I'm 10 times more happier. And I'm pursuing a goal in a career that has an unlimited roof of where I can take it. Whereas a 9 to 5 is capped. I don't care what anyone says. A 9 to 5 is capped. Whereas in trading, it's not capped. So if you start off making literally half of what you'd make in a 9 to 5 job, but you're 10 times more happier, that then's going to have a turn in your trading. I'd do that all day.
Yeah.
Every single time.
I would be gone.
Yeah.
Like, for example, I wouldn't have to go to this meeting that I got today.
If I was working a 9 to 5, I wouldn't be able to walk straight to the same hole right about now.
I was like, can I hear golf clubs?
Yeah. That is absolutely not. I'm jealous. Who said I'm jealous? I'm not jealous. No way.
What's this? 156 metre par 3.
Oh, you're not right,
Nice.
Plugged into the server.
Getting refused an annual leave request with 2 months notice. Wasn't sure that broke becomes, but yeah, fuck that, man. That's fucking ridiculous. What do I think about GJ? Let's take a look, man. Not a lot, to be honest. It's so fucking messy right now.
But, you know, they tried to refuse my Thailand one as well wrong. I just laughed. I was like, no, I'm going to Thailand. Have I got a job to come back to or not? Well, we'll see what we can do. No. My annual leave.
It's so ridiculous. But no, what do I think about GJ? GJ is at this support right here. If I actually kind of just, let me delete this now. We grab that double bottom now. GJ is at this support, just closed in this little range. How many pips is this range? 20 pips. So no, I personally like, unless GJ breaks back above and you can maybe take it back up to highs, I'd consider GJ. But as soon as GJ comes back into all of this noise, nah, GJ's a no-go for me. Look at this. Support there, but it's also got, like, you got resistance, support there, like, so much noise on GJ. I personally am not interested in GJ. Look at GJ on the daily as well. Just clean everything, just look at pure price action. The past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days on GJ have just been so doji. Same prior to all of that as well. So until we come back down and retest these highs, maybe grab this low, will I then look to trade GJ? But from an intraday perspective, nah, GJ doesn't interest me personally. I don't think it's worth risking your money on. You know, like I say, unless it does, you know, hourly close back above this level and you can maybe take it higher, you could consider it. You know, you may actually come and grab that low, but I'm personally not interested in GJ at the minute. I'm more interested in scope and oil because oil had a lovely move yesterday. Cheeky oil.
From yesterday.
Oh, let's see. Let me see. Oh, nice. There's a big run.
It got me a break even now.
Yeah, it fucked around a lot before, didn't it?
Yeah, I think yesterday fucked around there anyway.
Yeah.
And then 14 pips.
Yeah, even on look at Nas yesterday. It's absolutely insane. Fucking crazy. But our journal so far in June, sitting around 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 2-pip L, a 92% win rate so far, which is very, very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna put it all in here.
That's my picture. In fact, it's even another one. Oh, it's up. But my laptop today.
Get rid of these, get rid of these.
I've taken 1 trade in June.
What date on 7th of June? Yeah, that's good though. I think that's good.
And I might give it a actually June right there. Right? Run rate is 100%, so I might leave it there.
Put that on the Instagram story. 100% win rate.
Yeah.
How many trades did you take? Well, it doesn't matter, does it?
It doesn't matter, I got it. No.
Yeah, let's see. This 30 is starting to look quite bearish on Goldie. I would want it to break this support. The only way I'll consider a position on this gold is if it like screams out. I mean, it gives me really nice liquidity regions to short into, like this afternoon. Sorry, this morning when I took the longs. Clear double top, nice price action into it. If I've got a clear double bottom or a clear level of liquidity, and a nice 5-minute push, only then will I consider trading in this range. But it is risky.
Setup here reminds me of the one you had the other day. Last Thursday, the one I can take.
The
one that I still can't fucking see.
This one.
Yeah, that's the one, yeah. There's like the noise on the left looks quite similar like this.
Yeah. Click on the 15.
Looks quite similar to, that's pretty good. The noise on the left currently, where I can see you entering short, making dollar bills.
Well, if it breaks this level and I can get an entry around this level, I'll be shorting it down into these highs, which would be around 18. That was the only thing with that, and that's the reason I took profit on this one on Thursday at that level, because that resistance there was my next level, whereas I can quickly take a little short into there. So it was like, what did it hit? It spiked down like 30 pips. We got to be break even around like 14, 15. So yeah, and it is aggressive. It's definitely aggressive. But you know what they say, scared money don't make money, and we're here to revenge trade today.
I didn't get that email.
But no, yeah, gold has been on a... I mean, it's only Wednesday, and this is the day that things typically start changing around. But yeah, so far this week, gold has been crazy. Yesterday, they came down into the exact region that we were trying to short into in London. These lows here, which you wicked out that low that we had mentioned, that double bottom, grabbed that double bottom, and then had an instant 100 pip push back up. And that was the exact short that we were trying to take when we were taking shorts. I think it was around here, trying to take short down into here, where I took the 2 pip loss, and then ran back up late in London, in New York, 9:30 open, bam, smashed down.
Hey, Alan.
Yeah.
Check out this 4-iron I just hit. It's very, very muddy on the course, so I judge my clubs. Check out that sweet spot.
Let me see.
That.
He drew that on. He drew that on.
That is beautiful.
You knew when you hit it, didn't you?
Oh yeah. I need that sound effect on replay just to keep playing it.
Let me get rid of some of these levels, a bit too noisy. They're all relevant.
Better get a birdie.
Oh, right. Gold's having a nice 5-minute push here now. We've got no top wick on this current 5 though, but if this 30 closes below this low, we just had that 15 close as well. That 15 close. Doji. This could be a bottom wick on this current 15. Let's see how this 5's going to close. Yeah, no top wick just yet. But if we do get like a strong 5 close below this little support, and a nice little quick bounce from maybe someone around here, we got 10 pips into there, and potential 18, 20 into there.
Where do you support? 1963 or is it lower?
The current one? There's so fucking many right now. That's the difficult thing.
Yeah.
There's literally so many. Is John Luca here? No. This is what I was saying in the chat yesterday. I think John Luca took a trade maybe somewhere around here, and I was like, it's very, very messy. I was just trying to explain like the importance of, if you trade in this range, you have to accept that it's very, very high risk, because it can literally come into a support and just completely bounce against you. YouTube guys, feel free to ask over any questions whilst we're waiting for some movement on oil. On gold or oil as well. You guys in the chat are very quiet today. Posting some questions. Say hello. Look at this. Oh, this 30 on gold is looking pretty nice now. Give us a nice 5-minute close like this with some good volume, please. How much pips is this current candle? Almost 10 pips. If I do short this, I will be half risk. Half risk, full margin, one of them, you know. Is it my device or is the voice cracking?
Lewis, are you okay?
No, he's not. No, he's not. I don't know, Ron. Is it cracking for anyone else?
No.
No, just you. Just you. Oh, sorry, not Ron. Rohan. Ooh, this 30's looking good. But don't come down into this support because this support's my target. So the closer it comes to this support, the less inclined I am to take the short. So this is my first TP. So if we fulfill this now, then I can't short it, right? But if we slow the F down, yeah, look at Nas as well. Look at Nas here at the top, in the top left. Absolutely crazy.
There's a great sky there.
Boom.
No.
Yeah, no. Actually, I was trying to take this short down yesterday. Yeah, after it broke this level. Boom. I literally did I just wanted a really quick top wick on this current 5. And I would have taken this short and it would have made absolute bank, but it just dropped hard.
I can see move today.
Hard. Alright, this 5 just closed on gold, very bearish below our level. We need to pull back up in order for me to want to short this. Because now we are trading, unfortunately, right at my TP. I don't trade oil, mainly majors, but can't find oil on TradingView. You just type in US oil. Yeah. US oil. What was that, sorry?
What have you got? TVC. You've got TVC. TVC.
Yeah. Yeah, TVC. We like trading oil.
I seen a TVR yesterday. Anybody know what that is?
I do not.
What? You do not. UK history, Aaron.
I know someone who does though. Where's Joe?
Where's Joe? TVR is like a sports car that's still made in the UK.
Ah.
Some of them are quite nice.
Was it on a breakdown lorry? How's gold today? Gold today, so far, we're getting a nice push here. I mean, prior so far we've done absolutely nothing in Asia, but we're getting a nice push now, which is nice. There's been no entry. This is the move that I wanted to catch, but there's literally just been no entry on this whatsoever. Previous 15 closed bearish and doji, and there's no top wick on this current 15. This 15 is just pushed down straight away with literally no top wick, which is, and that's a 20 pip candle. That's all I want today. It's 20 pips, but the good thing is we're getting volume here. Although there's no entry on this current move, we're getting volume, and this is what we want. Oh, sorry. Yeah, get some nice volume, which is good. But in terms of bias, there's no bias. If we break to the highs, break above this resistance, I'll long it all the way back up into these regions, and this level up here. If you break down to lows, then I'll probably short it back down into these levels. So no bias. I don't care where it's going to break out. I'm just going to react to whichever way it does. Oh, let me see. Whoa. I've never seen one of these.
Those.
No.
Serious?
No, never.
I thought they would have been in Jersey for sure.
No.
They're really fucking expensive from like a snobby UK car. There are a few snobs in the UK.
What's your analysis on GJ? I kind of just read over it, but not very much. See how this hourly closes. If the hourly, as long as we trade in this range, you don't want to trade in this range, you don't want to trade in this range. But if the hourly breaks back above, or maybe grab this low first, then you could look to play it back up into these levels. Some nice clean levels to retrace some of this. But anywhere in this level, you get complete fuckery. Anywhere in this range, complete fuckery. So nothing on GJ until it breaks back above this level. Super simple, really, really simple. Oh, look at that gold push. Even a top wick on this current 5 and I would have shorted that. No top wick on any of these previous 5 minutes. So let's see how this 15.30 is going to close in the next 5 minutes. If this 30 closes like this, breaks this level, then we get a nice little retest and we could short it maybe back down into these levels, which would also be nice. If we get a nice closure here, maybe short it back down into here. 40 pips.
Do you think it will possibly bottom left?
It's still possible. Because we haven't even retraced like 50% of this move. We came down to 38. We haven't even. There's still a lot of room to come and retest here before then potentially going higher.
78, is it 78 that gold does?
Yeah, 78. Yeah. Which is whether, and we've got 1950 to come back down and retest, which is around here. So we put this fib back on like this. Where's 1950? 1950 is here, so around that 61. So 61 also line at this high, this little resistance as well. So there is still some levels to come and retrace. Alright, nice 5 minute bearish close there. Nice top wick on this current 5. Let's just see how this 5 is going to go. You are hyper, buddy. But I am wary that there's no top wick on this current 15. 30's got one though, so it doesn't really matter. This is a nice push up. A nice push up. The higher this pushes up, the more inclined I am to potentially look for a sell on the break of the low. Stops are going to have to be quite wide though.
17 stop loss.
Is it? Yeah.
Right, to bears, but like depending on what this candle does.
If we grab this high, then I'd love to short it. A nice quick wick up, and then boom, I'd take this play.
Yeah, please. That's sexy.
Oil is currently just ranging on the current 5 for now. Let's go down to the 15. Yeah, Doji's on the 15.
You had on oil was like 3 absolute
back to back,
mental trades.
like 30% trades or something.
Yeah. Disgusting.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. It was ridiculous. I had like, I don't know, maybe like 15 pips stop loss on them as well. Yeah, that trade's up there with one of my best trades to date, for sure.
We won't talk about that.
Where were you when that was?
Oh, I think my phone died. I'm in a photo shoot.
Something like that. With this current 5 on gold, I don't want this current 5 to close bullish, because if this current 5 closes bullish, then this 30 is going to still be respected in this level. I want this to close like this. 30 fully break this little level, so you got the support, resistance, support. See here. So a nice closure below here. So this 5 hopefully just closes like this, and then the next 5 could maybe come up, grab the previous 5 minute high, liquidate that high, retest it, and then amazing. That's when we could look for that play. So you could see a nice drive now, but this is some good pre-London volume. This is what we want to see.
Yes.
This is what we want.
Yes, it is.
If oil can wake up, we could short oil back down to here.
Oh, that'd be a shame.
Not bad. We'll go full margin. But yeah, we're looking to get a nice 30 close here. This is really nice. This is really, really nice.
I'm cold.
Morning, bro. I hope you're fine. Let's make bank. Ryan, what's going on, man? Good to have you in chat. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I've got NAS open, but I will very unlikely trade it today.
I'm just looking at the DAX now.
How's she looking?
Stolen a little bit. I think it needs to. Sorry, that the balls. Not bang.
This is going to be a really nice close here. How's this hourly starting to form? So it is hourly support as well, but we would want this to close like this and have in the first 15 of the 30 have a nice retracement, and then the next 15 to follow through to get that nice top wick and then nice body.
On the 15 minute, 1961 has got a lovely level.
Oh, there goes that 30 close. Yeah, it's a really nice 30 close. So now come back up and maybe retest maybe somewhere in these little levels. And I'll look for this short. I'll look for this short on gold. I will be personally half risk. You awake? No, he's gone.
You see my Snapchat?
Yeah, I haven't opened it yet though.
Oh.
What are you all about? You haven't opened yours yet, have you?
I have no.
Then I said, oh, you haven't opened yours yet. You're having a sleep, Lewis.
Right, come up and liquidate this previous 5-minute high. And I will consider this short on gold.
Please. I lost this today as well, boys.
In the golf comp.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Did they update your handicap?
That net, I was 2 better than my handicap. And I was given him 11 shots and he still beat me on the 17th. That's a fucking good replay.
Okay, so he was playing unreal then.
Yeah. That's very good. Okay.
Check out this, imagine having that house there.
Let me see.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
It's on a par 3 too.
nice.
Yeah, we're talking. I think I would be sitting here.
Oh, fuck.
Come on, Cole.
How do I get this up? Yeah, come on, Goldie. Come on, man.
It's only half a second.
Yeah. The more this pushes down early on, though, it makes me we're going to find some early support. We pretty much fulfilled all of our downside target, to be honest. Yeah, next short. Once we get the short, I'll be shorting it down into here, which is a 35 pip range. But no entry just yet. Can you pretend to be an SMC influencer and start calling everyone retail and how we're your exit liquidity? I want the full stereotype. Look it up. Yeah, I'm not a retail trader. I'm an SMC trader. SMC traders aren't retail. We traded with the banks. I got a call from the bank this morning and they told me what they're doing. And I'll sell it to you for $1,000 a month.
Oh, so you did not 25?
No, 1,000. God no, absolutely not.
I listened to a podcast recently with a few traders, and one of them was talking about the people he knows who trade for banks. He said they don't know. Like, he asked him about SMC, he said they didn't even know what the hell he was talking about.
Nah, that's
because they're all using EMAs and stuff like that, you know.
Yeah, they use moving averages and that's about it. No bank has any idea what the fuck smart money concept is. It's fucking.
Oh, what about SRC?
Well, that's different. No, that is next level. Yeah. Literally, banks trade like trendline support and resistance and moving averages, and that is it. That is literally all they trade. And your people are saying just fancy words for just fucking support and resistance these days. 5 minute finding some support. 30 finding some support.
Like the server, their course. People haven't heard the words before. So like, oh, this must be an India trading.
Yeah.
Here's £25, so.
It's all about like perspective. Like, if that's how people want to view the markets, that's their perspective, then that's fine. But that's not how to make bold claims that this is how the banks trade is just fucking ridiculous. It's all about perspective. Like, same as me talking about liquidity grabs. At the same time, yeah, it's a liquidity grab. It's also just support and resistance overall as well. You know what I mean? Like, this long that I took up into here, it's like I'm longing it up into this liquidity grab, but it's also just resistance. But just all about that perspective and how you view the markets. Everything in trading works. It's all about what works for you. One thing I will say for them is ICT algorithmic trading stuff has been working pretty well for me so far. Good man. ICT has some good stuff, but a lot of it for me is analysis paralysis. I keep it super simple. But yeah, it definitely works. Definitely does.
Looking at telephone today. Please?
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Yeah, you know what I'm as well. You know the musical, is it Jesus or Noah? Who's got that colourful, like
Joseph.
Joseph. And he's got the beard.
But that was wasn't that Philip Schofield that did that?
I've been banned from YouTube.
I didn't say it wrong.
No, I'm joking.
No, I swear that Philip did the musical.
Yeah, probably did.
Yeah.
Aaron, sorry, we're going.
No, you go.
Aaron, do you know any rich trader who makes rich from trading? I don't really know what that means. If I know any people who trade full time and make a lot of money from trading, yes, of course.
Richie Rich does.
Richie Rich. Who's Richie Rich? Why does that sound familiar?
What?
Every time Aaron walks past the mirror.
Oh, Richie Rich. Yeah. Yeah, me. Yeah. Yeah, I know loads of people who trade full time and make a very good living, of course.
Like, I don't know how you can be on a stream and golf. I would definitely have to be on it. Maybe a couple of C-bombs going about the place.
Oh, look, I have the microphone muted half the time. I mean, I'm currently in the trees at the moment, so...
That's why the video's up, guys.
I'll show you what I'm looking at.
Oh, let's see.
So, all there, right in between those two trees is the flag. Probably about 130 away. Three irons.
Take the medicine, get the fuck up. Don't get on the fairway. Don't go for it.
There it is, Ron.
At least this is a par 5, so I still got great meters on the drive.
Goldie's still pushing. Not liquidated any 5-minute highs from the past 2 previous 5-minute candles. Finding some support, just grabbing that previous 5-minute high. I'd want this 5 to close nice and bearish. But again, we have to be wary of this 30 support that we're in right now. This is a very big move.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's no entry for me, though.
No entry at all. 15 just absolutely died with no top wick at all. Not even a retest of any highs just yet. And if I were to jump in shorts here, these stops got to be 30 pips and my target's 14, so it's a shit risk to reward. So, and it's only pushed 13 pips, so no entry yet. Just got to keep letting it do its thing for now.
Yeah.
Analysis paralysis is a trap that drains traders mentally. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%.
Until you can pull up a little bit more on over the backward shots.
Yeah, I still think it can. All of these levels, we're going to find some support soon. No top wick in this current vibe either. Watch it reverse all the way up. Yeah, that's what I'm wary of. It's around this 30 support where anything could happen. All of this level, typically we tap into this level, has a fake out and then just can rip straight back up. So I don't trust this move, and that's the reason I'm not jumping in shorts when you have so much room to retrace. So you look at finding some support. You can jump in shorts, chase the shorts, and then you go instant drawdown.
Oh, I need to go.
Yeah.
Oil struggling on the 15 as well. See if we get some London Open volume on oil. May take an oil trade today.
If we don't get a trade today, at least we're guaranteed one in the Asia Street tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're funny.
Absolutely. We haven't.
100% win rate, isn't it, so far?
Mm-hmm. 100% win rate on the Asian streams.
Okay, stuff for that. That's put in the waiting room, okay?
Yeah, Asian stream tomorrow. See, this is why you're a retail trader. There were at least 69 entries in that last 5-minute candle before the dump of the 1 second chart. Buy my smart money trading course and I will teach you. Sell me it, man. Give me the secrets. There better be some sort of secret golden indicator in there as well. Otherwise, I'm not buying in. And I want an algo that's going to pass all my funding challenges as well.
People are serious, man. That's my issue.
Nah, he's joking.
The secret is you can only 5 minute trade if you're trading while your wife is going through labour and recording.
If you know, you know. Call it the platinum projectile. Alright, let's go to the 1 minute and alright, 1 minute flip on this current 1 minute. Who's in?
Nope. The DAX is like, yeah.
Yeah. Antonio, nah, not really, man. I used to use Oanda. I just switched when it had that fuckery last week. It kind of threw off all my analysis, and I just had to. Whereas I used to use, I don't only use Oanda. I just had to switch to it after that. But no difference, man. Price figures will be a tiny bit different, but no, it's the same, man. Just find whichever one is, like, the figures are close enough to your brokers, so you're going off the right figures. Aaron, when trading funded account, you used fixed lot size? Yes, man, I used fixed position size. Fixed position size. Unless it's a swing trade, and I may use less or work out percent risk. But for intraday and scalping, no, fixed position size. So this, the Top Step futures account that I'm trading at the minute, I'm using about two contracts on gold on average. Yeah, currently on my FT mode challenge. Just started. Good shit, Antonio. Good shit. Oh yeah.
Hey, what's the contracts?
I'll show you, man. I'll show you. Let me share.
Is there like an equivalent to lot size?
Yeah, it's very similar. It's pretty much the same as opening one lot. So let me just pop it up. How do I get this up? Where are we? Yeah. Oh, why are you not popping up, man? How do I get this up? Let me. Can you see it? I can't show it on YouTube for some reason, but can you see it here on Zoom?
What?
Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Nice. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's just the same. Here you have your contract size up here. So I'm only trading 1 to 2 on this account. 2 is pretty much the same as.
That's a lot, is it?
No, it's similar to doing like this little tiny move up here was like around. So I had a buy here and I was scaling out here. It was like $100, like 2 contracts. So if you were to sell this with like 1 contract, you're probably looking at, I don't know, maybe a couple of hundred. Maybe like 2. Like if you were to catch this, we'd probably be talking like maybe 200-300. Oh, I can't share it on YouTube.
And that's the lowest it goes down to. Can you do like halves?
No, yeah, the lowest you do is 1 contract. You can trade micros as well. So micros, like micro futures, is smaller position size. So you could open like five contracts on a micro, and it'd be like basically like doing half of 1 contract. But using this Top Step for me has been amazing. Way better than FX funding firms.
Yeah, with that, I'm gonna have to demonstrate that so much to get used to it.
Well, when I take a position, I'll show it with you guys. If hopefully we get a trade today, and I'll show you guys me putting it in and how much it moves. I'll be able to show you it properly. I wouldn't show it.
And everything on the line today, go on, boy.
Come on. But I know I can't show it on YouTube.
Tag, watch.
Which one?
The one like it's digital and it turns into like I can't remember the correct terminology, but it basically gives you yardages and stuff, and it shows you like the golf
So
ball.
is that the golf one?
Oh, the
Yeah.
golf one, yeah.
Yeah. That's not cheap, isn't it? It's like 4,000 or something, that one.
Yeah, no, it's not cheap.
There's
There we go.
There's another brand, I think it might be Garmin. They do a really nice one that actually looks like a watch when you like just wear it out rather than, because I hate the look of smartwatches.
Yeah, the Garmin ones are nice.
Garmin.
Yeah, they're really nice.
But it's still like, I think it's like 8,000 Australian dollars or something ridiculous. But
Yeah.
it looks like a Submariner when you don't like use it as a golf watch.
Holy shit.
Imagine what the old school Wall Street pitchers would think seeing us trade on Zoom call. Yeah, it's true, man. They'd be like, what the fuck? Look at this 5 on gold. Five's throwing a big wick here on gold. It's starting to push back down now. If this 30-minute breaks below this level, this could be really good as well. And I think once that closes, then we could get that push back up. So nice 30 close here, come back up, retest, grab that 5-minute high we were talking about, and then we could look to short this back down. So that's the reason I'm not chasing this just yet. Still got plenty of time for me. There's no mistrade on this just yet.
Okay.
We've got London Open in 10 minutes as well.
What a low's that?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Let me trading view back on. Loads of time to make. I'm not leaving here until we make some bank today. Heads up, pretty sure entertaining an actual trade on live stream may count as financial advice. That's what I've heard. Nah, it's just for entertainment purposes, man. I have it in the description. You trading again on YouTube? Yeah, for the Asian session, man. For the Asian sesh. For the Asian sesh, and then London again on Friday. And with that top step, you don't even have to use that TS Trader. You can just do it straight from TradingView if you want. I just like to have it separate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that golf watch is crazy.
What do you get here?
Sorry?
You looking at it
Yeah, Blake just sent it in. Yeah, it's mental.
in the chat?
I wonder how much it is.
Oh, hello.
Is it crazy expensive?
Oh, target.
I told myself I wouldn't buy one until I get under 10 handicap. I'm not going to buy one of the expensive ones, just a normal one.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
But I'm not going to do it until I get under 10 handicap.
What's the name of them?
Look at this push on Goldie. Look at this push, man. Haven't grabbed any previous 5-minute highs. How do you learn to trade at the beginning? Oh man, where do I begin? Loads of courses in the start, loads of bullshit, loads of trial and error, and then eventually finding my style, what works for me, and then running with that. But failed in trading for the first 2 years. No money in trading for the first 2 years. Oh, nice 15 close there on oil out of this little miniature range. Do have this there though. Would like a breakout more. But yeah, took me for 2 whole years of pure failure. 5-minute finding some support then again in gold.
Yeah. Yeah, lucky.
We've got 7 more minutes till this London is going to start to open. How many funded accounts you failed before passing? Probably about 4 or 5 before I got my first one. Bro, good morning, man. Any tips to pass funded challenge? Currently 3% up, but afraid to place the order because it's my retry. If you're afraid to take a trade, then you are certainly not ready to be trading funded, which is totally okay, but just accept that. People jump in funding firms way too quick, thinking more capital is going to solve your problems. I promise you, more capital is not going to solve your consistency issues. If you're hesitating now during a challenge, imagine if you became funded and you had a live funded account, how hesitant you would be then. So just take your time with it. Go back to trading demo for a little bit. And that's the reason I don't like. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
No, all good. All good. But yeah, that's the reason I don't like these. And it's the reason I'm enjoying Top Step so much is because there's no time frame, no time limit on when you have to pass. That was the thing I hated the most about FTMO, my Forex funds, all of that. Is time restraints and unrealistic targets. They're all bullshit rules out to get you. Whereas Top Step is 100 times more realistic and actually advocates good trading habits. Whereas most other prop firms in the FX world do not.
Is Top Step, Aaron, you can't trade Forex, it's only futures?
Yeah, it's only futures, man. So I'm just trading gold. I trade gold, oil, and NAS, but I haven't traded FX in the past like 2 months anyway.
Yeah.
So I'm trading gold futures. I got oil futures up here, and I got Nasdaq futures as well.
I might have a look at it.
Yeah, it's worth having a look, man. Check out the link in the community. I'm doing the 50k giveaway on Friday as well.
Okay, no worries.
But yeah, it's honestly it's one of the best prop firms I've used in a long time, and especially if you guys don't like I said, I haven't traded FX, and I don't day trade FX anymore. Like I sometimes might scalp GJ on EJ, but I'll just take that on my personal. But if I'm just going to be just day trading gold and start looking at oil and NAS, there's no reason to trade it on an FX broker or an FX firm. You get shit spreads, shit fills, and unrealistic rules and profit targets. Alright, get off. My dog's hyper. Hey, get it. You want to play? It's not playtime, buddy. Criteria for the giveaway. Giveaway is just for the people in the community. You're more than welcome to check out and join. The giveaway will be on Friday. 50k account giveaway. The time frame on FTMO forced me to leverage my profits. Not something in my plan at all. Yeah, man, it's the shit thing. Same with me. FTMO, unrealistic profit targets in unrealistic amounts of times, not factoring in market conditions, slow times in the markets, and all that thing. With this Top Step, there's no time frame. If you pass it in the first month, amazing, you stop paying. If it takes you 2, 3, 4 months, then that's how long it takes you. Then you become funded. You keep like 100% of the first 10,000 or something, which is again incredible. And if you break any of the rules, so say if you get like a funded account on Top Step, you break the rules, you pay for a reset, and then you just go back to stage 2. You don't have to lose your account and go phase 1, 2, and then fund again through all that crap. So it's generally one of my favorites that I've seen in a very, very long time. But it's not playtime, mate. I'm busy. I'm trying to make bank, and you're distracting me. You're distracting me. What do you use to hear your price alerts when you're asleep? Absolutely nothing, man. I don't trade in my sleep. Don't try and trade in your sleep, man. Have your trading hours, have your trading schedule, and just trade them hours. Anything that's not in my trading hours, I couldn't give a shit. If the market pumps 1,000 pips, it's not in my trading hours, I couldn't care less. I'm not gonna try and chase it and set alerts and wake up at like 2, 3 a.m. That's just crazy. Trade for freedom, man. Trade for freedom. Your job as a trader is not to catch every single move in the markets. It's to catch the ones that fit your plan. And part of my day trading plan is having strict set hours that I know my plan works, that I stick to and trade to. Anything outside them hours, I don't really care. Otherwise, if you're setting alerts now and you're waking up at like 2, 3 a.m., imagine when you get your trading to a point where you're making like 5, 10, 20,000 a month. You're just going to be stressed and anxious 24/7. You trade 2, 3, 4 hours a day max, and that's you done. You close your laptop and you enjoy.
Bada boom, bada bing.
Make your money and leave.
Just like a tree.
Yes. Just like a tree?
Yeah. Make like a tree and leave? You've never
Yes. I was a bit slow on that one.
I thought it was make like a tree and fuck off.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
I don't think I've heard that one. I see where you're coming from.
Definitive funding, keep you updated. Yeah, sounds good, man. Jay, what's the leverage like on them as well? Hey, biting me. That dog's very fucking hyper. Oh, mate, you just smacked your head.
Dave, don't do that.
Dave, what are you playing at? Alright, we just had that hourly close. Let's have a good look at what's going on now. Got that London Open coming in. Beautiful candle on gold. This is the strongest candle we've had all week, so this is amazing. This is what we want. The more this pulls up now, the more I'm going to keep shorting gold. Hourly's broken through all of this intraday noise, which is amazing. If this 5 minute can just come back up and grab some highs, I'm going to look to take gold down to come and retrace some of this move. This is what we've been waiting for all week. Sorry, it was more for swing trading lights. Oh, Cody, sorry, man. I thought you meant just for like waking up and taking trades. I have my trading view alerts come through on my phone. But like I say, if they happen during when I'm sleeping, it's just part of that. It's part of it, man. I don't really care. It's happened many of times before, but that's just something that's like, out of your control. If I can wake up in the morning and still, catch a nice entry, because the markets never just dump. The markets move and flow. So if this was a swing move and you were looking to catch this, well, then you just set an alert somewhere up here and you just catch the retracement. I don't believe there's such thing as missing a move in the markets. It might move from your optimal area of interest, but that doesn't mean that's the only area of interest. I just wait for the next one. But yeah, this is a lovely close on gold. I want to see gold come and create a little retest, maybe around this little hourly support, resistance, and then I'll look to take gold even lower. Or even if the 5 minute can just come and liquidate some highs, I'd like to push this back down. How's this 15 looking? Yeah, really nice, really nice push. I would have loved to. I actually wanted to catch this entire short, but there's been no entry. 1 to 400 leverage, which is awesome. Yeah, good, man, good. That's what you want. So other people brought out another funding company, and the leverage is just awful. Oh, what's this? Oh, that was a very nice trade, Craig.
No, I think next week I'll stop paper trading GU.
Yeah, that looks good, man. How long have you been paper trading it for? A couple of weeks?
Nah, 2 months.
Oh, good, man. That's good. That's very good.
It's tricky. Like, the analysis is all the same, but you can't go to break even too soon.
Yeah.
You sort of got to let it. I hate this term, but you got to let it breathe a little bit.
yeah. Let it breathe. Nah, that's good though. That's good that you've tested it, not just jumped straight into it.
Yeah, I don't look at the 5 minute,
Yeah,
15 and 30.
good man. If it walks like a duck, quacks like a duck, chances are it's a duck. It's very true. How many trades do you take every session? Probably like an average 1 to 2, sometimes 2, 3, sometimes none. Last week I took 3 trades on the entire week, and both of them trades came on the exact same day. And so far on gold, we haven't had any plays, or so far this week I haven't traded any of this noise. Any of this. It's been an absolute mess. Had little mini scalps, but they're not real positions, not positions that we've actually taken. But this is nice though. This is the nicest move we have seen all week. We just want to see this 30-minute now come and retrace and retest it to be able to take this lower. This low of interest. Oh, I'm probably just literally about to grab it. There you go, just grabbed it.
Oh, yeah.
We've got 36 people tuned in. YouTube guys, remember, drop a like for the stream. We just got that London Open coming in now, so we're going to see if we get some London volume and be able to snipe this back down. As soon as we get a breakout of here on oil, on this top right chart, we could see a little play as well. A nice closure, nice breakout this range. I'll look for a little oil play. Gold still pushing. 5 minutes just closed bearish again. There's still no entry for me. Now coming into this 15 support when anything can happen. So I need this to retrace.
Gold, for fuck's sakes.
Yeah.
Just pull up a little bit.
If
We'll see you next Tuesday.
If you
Give
jump
us an
in,
entry.
you jump in shorts now. There's no stop loss placement. There's no structure to jump in shorts now. You jump in shorts around 15 support as well. So I have sells from 1962. Where can I close? Oh, close. I don't know. Close wherever you want. I'll close now. It's for 15 support if you want. 1962. Depends. Is it a day trade? Is it a scalp? If it's a day trade, yeah, 50 pips in this range is amazing. I would already be securing. I would have been securing partials a while ago.
Oh.
Take your money and run. Yeah, get your money and run. To be fair, yeah, even on this huge run down, if you just trailed stops above every previous 5, you would have been able to hold this the entire way down. This is the move that I really wanted to catch, but there was just no entry.
Is his name Bull? The balls on him to do that.
Day trade, yeah, nice. If it's a day trade, take some partials, man. Take some partials. You're around 15 support. Don't predict if we're going to go lower. So 15 support, you have to react to that. But that's a very nice play. Yeah, I would. I'd be done for the day.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I'd be doing.
Yeah, definitely take some profit. It's a great play. Great position. Oh, look at oil. Wicking out all them lows. If oil breaks back above this level, where would I buy into? Fucking nowhere.
Oh, go on, buddy. That's it, boy.
Yeah, this is what we want. This is what we want. EU. I imagine it's pretty similar to gold. A little bit cleaner. 30. Oh yeah, you could probably short EU down into this low. Grabbing that previous 30-minute high. If this 30 can flip bearish, you could probably take it down. Had the hourly close. Yeah, nice. Yeah, EU looks nicer. You could have a push down as long as the risk reward and pips are worth it. You could short EU down into first target down into here. Second target, you could probably look to short EU maybe down into there as well. It's probably nice to low. Start to flip bearish. Thank you. 50 pips close. Good work, man. 50 pips in an intraday trade is amazing. Very, very good work. Just drop us the signal next time.
Yeah. People. Kate is here as well. He's on a roll. Go on, Kate boy.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's here. He just doesn't really want. He doesn't want to talk to us very much.
No, some people have got jobs and actually have to work. It's weird.
I've got to work. Yesterday morning, I was still talking.
Yeah, you tell him.
Yeah, how's that?
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, gold, man. I'm not chasing this. How many's that just hit?
Chase them up, just do
You wouldn't. You wouldn't.
it. Order filled.
Okay, tell everyone how amazing futures are.
It's crap, no one go to it.
Okay,
I'm
I said I'll pay you.
I'm kidding, no, honest. Future's the best thing since sliced bread.
I don't know why people say that. Sliced bread, I don't know. Like,
Yeah, it's not that amazing, is it?
Well, okay, I'll never say how good it is again.
4 hour broke support. Yeah, 4 hours beautiful, man. Look at that. We're getting some banging volume here. I just can't take this 5 minute short because there's just zero stop loss placement for me. Unless I'm gonna short it, you know, say if I was to take this little flip, my stop loss is gonna have to be just ridiculous. To short it down into there, it's like a negative risk to reward. And you'd only be hitting 10 pips, so it has to pull back up. I gotta stick to the plan. It's very easy when you see price pushing down this much, you know, that you get all these thoughts coming into your head, like, you know, take the sell, chase it, and then, you know, the second you start jumping in shorts, it'll be the second it starts to pull back up. So I'm just sticking to the plan. It can drop 1,000 pips. I don't care. It's not my play. Until it retests and gives me the entry, only then will I take it. But this is quite an aggressive pushback down. Even the 15 has liquidated no previous 15 highs at all. Thoughts on GBPJPY? Liquidate the lows. Has it broken back above our level? Let's have a look. Not yet. As soon as GJ closes back above here, we have grabbed that low, which is nice. If the hourly can now close back above this level, yeah, look for longs. So all you do, set a little alert there. Until that alert goes off, let it do its thing, and we can watch oil. See what our baby oil's up to. Doji. Bro, I complete only 15 pips. See you tomorrow. Good shit, man. Good shit. Well done. 15 pips is all you need. Good man.
okay. Go on, Paul.
Can someone give me 15 pips, please, sir?
Yeah.
Please?
Oh, well, if it continues like this is fucking beautiful because break this level and I want to make an call because I'm going to hold it all the way down to that.
This 15, if this can rip back up, after liquidating these lows, if this 15 can flip bullish on oil, this could be a really nice play. You could even look at the current flip of this current 5 minute. Broken out, currently retesting. You can see a little flip here in oil. What would stop loss be? Stop loss would probably want to have it here. Where's your target going to be? It's pretty messy, to be honest. There's no real target, if I'm being honest. We got a little... It's a big ask.
Excuse me.
But there is a double top up there. But if this 5 minute doesn't flip and we stay back in the range, then you wouldn't want to be in it. So if we don't re-break the high, you cancel the order, you don't take the trade. See, if you jump in that gold short, if we'd taken this flip, we'd almost be out of break even. 5 minute is starting to slow down. Slowing down.
Don't say it.
Alright, order filled on oil, stops to break even. Did I draw it here? I meant to draw it here.
Ah, that's a great.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate you tuning in. See you guys next time.
Okay. See ya.
How long we got to this 5's gonna close? 1 more minute. 1 minute 30. Stop loss on your own 25.
What's your symbol for credit you got there?
CLN3.
Yeah, cool. Just double checking.
Are you taking that
Don't
oil?
put on micros.
Hey?
Don't want to be putting on micros.
No, full margin. Go big or go home, man. If gold retraces from here without breaking the 30-minute wick, would you consider it an inverse head and shoulders? Yeah, definitely, man, definitely. Can see it here, boom. This is such an aggressive push. No, if we break this level, as soon as I just want a top wick. As soon as we can get a top wick and just retrace, doesn't have to retrace all of this, but as soon as we can retrace, I'll look to take the flip and I'll have my stop wherever this 15 high is going to be. No, I'm not taking oil just yet, man. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for this 15. I want to see this 15 close nice and strong, and then I'll look for the entry. 15 close nice and bullish here, bottom wick, and then I'll look for it. So let's just see how this 5 is going to close in 20 seconds.
Very nice.
Very good. Very nice.
Very nice.
How long we
I
got?
had the old guy saying it last night.
Nice. Nice.
What are you saying? It's like, very good, very nice. Where's it from? I don't really know. I said, I just can't stop saying it. Like, I ate this worldly, and he's like, very good, very nice. I said, yes.
Yeah, Borat, yeah. See, now, this old oil. Oil's liquidated the lows. Closed bullish, broken out of this range, created a bottom wick on this current 15. So you could consider that, but this 15's also left a wick right at this pissing support. Right, we just had a nice 15 close there on gold. If this gold can retest this level in this current 15, I am going to look for the sell. 5 minutes grabbing some previous 5-minute highs. 195717, 195717. So around this little level. And we can short it back down into this low down here as a break-even point. And if we re-break that low, we re-break this low, 15 pips, and then we can have a nice retracement of some of this. Maybe come back down and retest 1950. Oil having that push back down. Let's go oil on the 5 to make gold a little bit bigger. If oil can grab this previous 5, consider it. When you chase a trade, you become the herd. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Bro, after reach 1954, should I buy? Nah, not up to. If price closes back above this level, you could consider it. But you know, if you've just made 15 pips on this sell, I wouldn't really do anything, to be honest. You've made 15 pips in a big overall range. If anything, until this 15 closes back above, you just want to be looking for shorts for now. We got no bottom wick on this current 15, so as soon as this starts to give me signs of rejections, I'm gonna look for sells, and stops. Stops are gonna have to be around 20 pips, and we've got to be break even around 14.
Fair enough.
Yeah. What he said.
Fair enough.
What else have we got this week? Unemployment claims tomorrow for US dollar, and unemployment claims for CAD. See, oil left that wick on the 15, now starting to push back down. Please just retest a little bit more. Where are you retesting? You're not even retesting these wicks yet. See, if I do take this, I'm going to be aggressive on the management. As soon as it starts to flip bearish, I'm going to be reducing my risk. I haven't put it in just yet. I'll say when I put it in though. I'm grabbing that previous 5-minute high. Again, I will only just take half risk. and we are around that. You look at that 30 support. Oil on the 30. Fuck it up, man.
This is better.
Yeah, this is good. The more this starts to push up now, the more inclined I am to put this down. And my stop loss will be wherever this starts to flip. But if this 5 now closes back above, this 30 is going to be leaving that wick. We have to be wary that we are around 30 support here. That's the only thing. But until the 15 closes back above, I won't consider longs. So as it stands, I still have to look for shorts.
I actually put in.
Nice, man, nice. Yeah, I'm about to. As soon as we get signs of rejection here, I'm about to put the sell stop in. Grabbing some nice previous 5-minute highs now.
You don't have a goal there?
Yeah. I'll not put it in just yet though. Not yet. And I would, if I was to look at that oil pushing back down now, that's why we don't chase that long. And if this card does come back down and flip bearish, I would want a nice strong momentum candle, like fully clearing this support, because the 30 is around support. Half risk, yeah, half risk, man.
What's to do?
Half risk. Jack's in the building. Jack's got lots to do.
On the graph, boys.
Good man. Good man.
I love these zooms.
5 has just closed bullish, so we don't put it
Well,
on.
happy birthdays, we've had it all, eh?
Oh, the happy birthday was the best one.
Yeah.
Fuck, that was amazing. Look at that oil.
You went on YouTube.
Oh, I wish I was, because I would have had a recording of it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how this 5 can close. We're going to get this 30 close soon here as well. This is why these next 5 minutes are so important, because we're coming so close to this 30 close. But no, I haven't put this order in yet, by the way, guys. I'm gonna see how this current 5 is gonna close. But this 15's looking quite nice. You probably want to have stops just above the current 15, nice and tight, because it's still got a lot of room to retrace. And you don't want to go sit in a shit ton of drawdown.
I cancelled it.
Yeah, the reason that I've cancelled is because this 5 minute could just wick out that low and rip higher, and not actually close below it. But if it closes below it, then amazing. Then I'll still put it back in. So you would have got tagged in now. So let's see if we're gonna actually close below this low.
I didn't want to get tagged.
See, like exactly that.
Yeah. Oh, good management.
Yeah. But if we close below this low, amazing. I'll take the short. I'll just pro market execute. But I want to see how this 5 is going to close. Because if it was going to be true momentum, you would have wanted to see this 5 minute candle just have that drive already. Like our other trades, we just like it when the 5 minute has the nice break. See, I would have even taken this sell. If this 5 had grabbed this previous 5, I would have been shorting from all the way up here. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. We're only well, it's only fucking 8:22 in London right now. We got plenty of time.
Yeah. It is nothing. I haven't even had my second cup of coffee yet.
Damn, get it down you.
Oh, I want to leave now because I don't miss.
You come back, yeah. Stops to break even.
Yeah. And the coffee will be through my screen, and we don't want that.
And because we're coming so close to this 30 close now, if you jump in shorts now, This 30 can come back up, retest, and then go lower. So we could probably wait for the 30 top wick now. So let's see. I'm just gonna leave this on to see how it would have played if we hadn't have not put the order in. But if this 30 closes bearish, the 30 still needs to create a top wick. Get a nice closure like this. Nice close below that body. It's having a nice push now. Nice push. Where's that 30 starting to look?
Yeah.
30 still has so much room to retrace.
I've been in now.
Yeah.
I've been office by now.
What would you be sitting in? Be sitting in almost 6 pips.
Oh, couple of runnies. I'm up, guys. See you. I'm going to focus.
Done for the day.
Then
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Rebroken that low. Close below that low.
no, wrong way.
Yeah, wrong moment. Up.
Just gold. I don't think it understands the mission at hand. You absolutely fine.
So let's see if hypothetically we had kept this in. Let's see here, because you're coming into the last 5 of this 30 close, you would have to be at break even right now. So let's just see if it's going to keep driving or it's just going to come back up. Because this 30 closes like this. What does the 30 still need to do? Exactly what we just did on the 15 before then having that drive.
Yeah.
And now, kind of the closer we come to this low without grabbing it, it still is a lovely place to look to short into. Now we've got that previous 5 having that strong push up. No, I'm not in that trade yet, man. I'm just drawing up. See, there you go. You would have been out of break even anyway. And if you didn't manage, stops would have been around 1958. Stops would have been around there. Let me just put this in just in case anyone thinks I'm in this. I'm not in this. See, and then you'd now be going to go sit into drawdown. That's the reason that you have to be very careful when you're in the last 5 minutes of the 15 and 30, because that's the 5 minute that can change everything. And if you jump in cells 5 minutes before the 30 is going to close, well, the 30 could close bearish, but the 30 still needs to retest some levels before dropping lower, right? So you can go sit in drawdown and get stopped out before then it just rolls back in your favor.
Yeah.
If I take a 5 minute play on the 30, it has to be within the first 20 minutes of that candle. Otherwise, as soon as you start getting into the last 10 minutes is where it starts to get very risky. This oil, oh, look at this oil completely faking out. Re-breaking that low. Nice closure on oil. And we consider some sells. 40 people watching on YouTube. Guys, remember, drop it a like for the stream. Feel free to ask over any questions whilst I'm waiting for these plays. We're going to have some bank today.
Yes, RM is gay. Those questions. I'm joking.
He'll even pay for a villa to lure you to Thailand.
He was,
Oh, you look at that. There's only one bedroom in this villa. Just me and you. How did that happen?
Oh no!
Who booked this?
It's a funny story, that one is. Because when we went to Koh Samui,
Yeah, it's true. That is true.
do you want to explain that?
No, when we went to Koh Samui, Alan tried to convince me to share a room with him. He said, "Look, Aaron, I don't mind. All right, I'd rather you don't, but if I have to, and you really want to, then fine." And I said, "All right, if you insist."
I would blame any touching on the geckos.
Fuck, them geckos were huge.
They were massive.
Yeah, they were disgusting. What is oil doing on the 30 as well? Holy shit.
And is that bathroom though? That's mine.
There it is. Oh.
I've never ever looked at oil, but it looks like it makes some nice moves.
Oh, it moves clean, man. It moves really, really clean. It loves just structure and levels. It moves so clean. I used to trade it a lot, but swing trading it, I never really day traded it as much.
It does have quite a few gaps in it though,
Mm-hmm. Had a big gap up on the weekend.
which I don't really know what to do about gaps.
Right through them.
Yeah, trade into them getting filled. Alright, there we go. We just had that 30 close. See, look at that. That last 5 minutes, that 30 has flipped incredibly bullish. That's the reason I wasn't jumping them shorts. 15 just closed doji. 30 is still, you know, broken this level. And, you know, we have found some support, but we have come very close to this low without liquidating, which makes me think we may actually come and grab this low now. So if this can just push back up and maybe grab that previous 30, I would love to look for this flip. See, this was that original trade I was looking at, and that's the reason I didn't take it, is because we were coming into the last 5 of the 30, and it doesn't make sense to trade the last 5 of the 30, and we'd be sitting in like almost 10 pip drawdown now. So let me get rid of this 5. That 5 doesn't interest me anymore. I'd probably looking at this 30. Maybe got this 5. Let me just clean these 5-minute levels up now. We got some more price action here. No bottom wick on this current 30, which is nice. Continue to pull up first, please, sir. And I will look to short it. Because the 5 minutes just flipped bullish, bearish, bullish. So let's see, how did that 30 just close on oil? I'm on the 50. Oh, nice bearish close there, just broken that little minor support. Could we get some sells on oil on this current 5 flip? Maybe short it down into... It's very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Probably short it down into there maybe. But if it doesn't flip... Let's go oil on the 5. So you could have a little potential... like that, you have a stop like there. So you got to be break even there, which is shocking. Trading view notification. Oh, is this GJ? Yes, it is. GJ looking to close back above our level after grabbing that low. Very nice. As soon as we get a closure here on GJ, has the potential. Liquidated that low that we mentioned. Now, if you close back above this level, I'm going to set the low a little bit higher. As soon as you get closure back above here, there's potential on GJ. See oil pushing back up. Gold pushing back up. Oil, we've just grabbed the previous 5-minute high. See if this can have a nice little flip. Oh, angel, nice. That looks nice. That's what I want to see on gold, man. That's what I want to see. Lovely 5-minute, liquidate the low, strong 5, bottom wick, take the flip of the high. Yeah, that's a lovely play, man. Really nice play there. Good man. Canada interest rate can also affect gold. It will have an effect on the whole market sentiment, yeah, probably. I think a lot of funds will be waiting on that. Is there a bottom wick on this 30? A little bit, but it's okay. If it doesn't reflip, I'll still take the low. I'm gonna put in this sell stop here on oil. Again, half risk though. And if this 5 doesn't flip bearish, and we just continue this range, then I'll just cancel. But we're liquidating the previous 5-minute high. 30s flip nice and bearish, retesting this little level. So if this 30 can flip bearish and have a nice push, we could get a nice push. I'll be managing aggressively on oil. Stop will be above this little 5 here. We shouldn't need to come and re-break this 5. But if this 5 flips bearish, then I'll have my stop above wherever this high is going to be. So I have this sell stop in on oil. And if it doesn't flip in the next 55 seconds, I will cancel. Gold having a really nice push up. This is what we want to see. 1-to-1 risk reward. Now this won't be my target, man. I'm just drawing this forever. I'll still be managing around this level. But if the 30-minute can have a nice push, and in the overall trend, it's got potential to come down and reach some levels down here.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
How long has it got? 30 more. But I would want it to trigger in this current 5. If it doesn't trigger in this current 5, then we could just mess around. So unless we flip in the next 20 seconds, I will be cancelling. Second, it doesn't do it. 30, look at that, 30 on oil. Sorry, gold pushing back up now. Strong 5-minute on gold. Really strong 5-minute. Gold is still around hourly support. How long have we got? 4 more seconds. All right, I'm cancelling that now. Didn't flip bearish. Oh, you motherfucker. You just flipped bearish at the last fucking second. I have cancelled that though. Top wick, so you could look for something like that. Is that going to flip bearish? That flipped at literally the last fucking second, I swear. Yeah, literally. What are you pacing around for, buddy? What do you want? What are you eating? I'll go for a walk after, buddy. Gold. Look at that. Gold closed back above on the 5-minute, back above that support. How many pips is this range to take it back to the highs? 18 pips, not bad. Oil pushing back up. You wouldn't have got tagged in yet anyway. Gold, a strong 5-minute. If you can re-break that 5-minute high, where would you play it back up into me? Back up into this high. If oil re-breaks that previous high, I think we'll push higher. Finding some... See, on the 5-minute, now gold's trading above our level, but on the 30-minute, we're still trading below it. If I was aggressive, I would consider buys on the re-break this high up into here for like 30 pips. Just play in the range. 15-minute with support, yeah, man. And the hourly is still around massive support. Look at that. Look at that hourly now. Come and re-break that hourly high, and hourly come back up and retest here. Then it makes sense to have a worthwhile long position. Stops would be around 20. Got first target 20. Come back up, retest here 40. Oil re-breaking highs. So good job on staying out. 75 close. We're on a break even. Angel, that's beautiful, man. Great position, man. Great position. That's what I'm considering right now on gold. Pretty much identical to what you have there. You got that strong 5, 2 strong 5s. If this 5 can leave a wick, the next 5 can flip up and have a drive. It's almost the exact same setup, which is really nice. If this 5 does break back below the level, then we still can't disregard this 30 flip back down.
On gold?
Yeah.
No, I'm watching on the 15. You've got so many screens, I'm just like, my head is just turning around like. Must be nice to have like a 16-inch screen.
I tell you what, it bloody is. It bloody is. So you got 20 pips into this low, which is quite nice. Let's see how this 5's going to close in 1 more minute. Oil's re-breaking the high. Oil still has potential on the 30. NAS is broken down at a little level.
15 is looking okay.
On gold.
Gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm wary that we're very close to this 30-minute high. We haven't grabbed it. But if it's just a quick momentum play into that support, 20 pips and be done, then it's worth it. What's this like? GJ going off again. Yeah, GJ could get a nice close there. Broken above, could have got that little 5-minute flip. I'll wait for the 30. I'm not too bothered about GJ at the moment, to be honest. Oh, oil. Wants to flip bearish. It really does. So your stop would still be here. Oh, 5. If they get a nice 5 closing here like this on gold, I'll be shorting it down to the lows. Close like this, gold. Close like this. 30 seconds. 30 seconds for potential sells on gold. As soon as this 5-minute closes, quick top wick, and I'll be looking for that play. Yeah, lots of liquidity there, Craig. Is that oil? Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of liquidity there, man. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's see. Go on, pull up first, motherfucker. Alright, I got a sell stop in here on gold.
Okay.
Yeah. I want this 5 to have the drive. Only a 14 pip stop loss, which is beautiful. I'm going to be playing it down into this support as a first target. And if it comes down even lower, amazing.
Maybe I have to do so. Fucking system you got there.
That's a literally click of a button. You can do it on TradingView, man. Click of a button. Click of a button and you're in. I've just been tagged in that. I want this 5 to continue this 5-minute flip. I had a little fake out there. Continue the drive into the lows and come and fulfill this wick. I've gone for a very tight stop loss because I want to go sit in drawdown. We're at such a big level. Oil still failing to flip. Look at that. Huge rejections, just failing to flip. So I got in a little bit higher. Where did I get in? I got in about here. But it's only a 13 pip stop, which is nice. It's a very tight stop. I'm not interested in having stops all the way back up here. It's such a big hourly reversal. If it re-breaks this high, then I just don't want to be in it. And I'll just wait.
Yeah.
But the 5 minutes closed above, flip back bearish, get a nice drive lower. This could be a good little play.
Yeah.
13 pips at half risk as well, remember. So we're really risking like 7 pips. But if this current 5 doesn't flip bearish and we just start to range in this little level, I will cut it straight away. Because the hourly, it's not closed yet, but the hourly is still around massive hourly support. 15, yeah, 15 is nice. We grab the previous 15. This 15 can flip bearish. Where's that 15 low? Yeah, where we got entered. Unfortunately, just tagged us in.
15, 13 is looking nice.
Yeah. We may, if this 5 does re-break above, then I think we come and grab this 30 high, and I'll wait for that to be grabbed before re-entering. I won't jump in re-entry just yet. But I would want it to start driving already. Oil's stalling as well. Oil's leaving these massive wicks, but just stalling. As GJ starting to push. Nice push, nice push.
I really don't know why, but I got the song. I can't remember who sang it, but it was back in the day. You know it. Girls don't like boys, man, they aren't no funny.
Yeah, it's a tune. There's a tune. I haven't been tagged yet. Good job.
I don't think I've even heard it for years.
It's a good tune though. I think your singing was that good that I might actually get copyrighted there, on YouTube.
You're lucky you're on YouTube.
Half risk on gold or nah? Yeah, half risk on gold, man. Half risk, half risk. If it doesn't flip in the next 1 minute, I will cut it straight away at like -1 pip. I don't care. I'm gonna be very aggressive. Alan was talking to me, by the way, if anyone was wondering. Everyone in chat's like, what the fuck, what do I do?
I did say that. Then when I saw who sent it, I was like, ah, that's okay.
Alright, 30 starting to flip bearish. Oh, why's my mouse so big? Look at that. How did I do that? That's pretty fun. Starting to flip bearish. 5 now finding that wick. If this 5 does break, I'm going to be very, very aggressive and I'm going to start to do something like this pretty soon. Just hovering around, break even now. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. How long we got? 30 more seconds. Put myself stop loss above the previous 5. Yeah, good man, good man. Yeah, if it doesn't flip in 22 seconds, like I say, I will cut it straight away. At minus, basically break even. Because I want that momentum to continue. We're around a big level of support. If this doesn't continue, we can still grab this 30 high. I want to go sit and draw down. Alright, cool. I'm out. I am out. At minus 1.5 pips at half risk. There is no reason to keep holding this. If it keeps driving, I'll look for re-entry. But there is no reason to keep holding that gold trade. Let me save this up here to update the guys after. 5, see the 5 closed bullish, flip bearish, and now it's stalling. So if it's stalling, I don't want to be in a stalling trade. I want to see momentum and I want to see volume. If I don't get volume, I'm not going to hold my position. It just makes no sense to me. No, sir. Honey. No, not you. I was singing a song. Don't do that.
To be fair, there was a lot of name calling in Thailand.
There was. There definitely was.
Seeing that sign was brilliant though.
What, that bar?
The one up the hill.
Yeah.
Say it, because they're on YouTube. And we're on the bikes.
Yeah. I got a picture of that.
Yeah.
That was great.
I'm so tempted to put that as my profile photo, but
See, if anyone did hold this, you probably could have even cut it at break even. I took like a 1 pip loss, which is nothing. It's like, I think it was like minus $20 or something. But that was your chance there to cut it at break even. Market gives you that opportunity to cut your position, you take it. You don't hope there's going to be volume, you cut it. Oh, Angel, man, stop that. That's what we want. Stop that. That's what we want, man. Look at that 5 now, re-pushing up now. Let's just see, we've got, how's that 15 just closed? 15 just closed. Doji. Closed half of the runner. Good man, that's a beautiful push. Beautiful push. Goldie. What do you mean by half risk? Just half the position size you would normally take. Half it. The reason I'm going half risk is because we're around a very key level of support and we're starting to get choppy on this 5. So for me personally, there's no reason to take full risk. Let's see how this 5's going. 5 minutes gone doji. So our original stop would have been all the way up here, but then it was going to be there. The 5 didn't, so it would have been there. So we'd now be sitting in like even more drawdowns. So let's just see how it would have gone. If the hourly closes bearish, will be a good sign. Yeah, man. If the hourly closes bearish, we still got plenty of time. I'm skeptical of this 30 high getting grabbed, and if it does, I'll just re-enter. But let's just see. Cross that bridge when we come to it. Oil, not pushing yet. How did GJ just close on the 15? GJ 15, beautiful close. GJ come back down. You can probably take GJ higher. I got gold's gone to sleep. But gold, yeah, gold is it's around such a big level that it's expected that you are going to kind of piss around a bit there. So we cut that straight away, you'd now be sitting in even more drawdown. Like I said, when we first when we first took that position, if that 5 didn't flip bearish, we cut it straight away. You got to stick to the plan. If it had flipped bearish and then we were pulling up like this, then I'd be happy to sit in drawdown. But because it didn't flip bearish, there is zero reason to sit in drawdown. Zero reason. We've got to stay neutral. Stay neutral in these markets. Five minute now, closing a bit doji.
Right on.
So I'm now hovering around break even on the day. I mean, I'm up like, oh no, after commissions, yeah, I'm hovering around break even on the day.
That's absolutely dropped her knickers.
Really? Same as Nas. Oh yeah, big push. That gold 1 hour wick is huge. Yeah, it's massive, man. That's why I had to manage this so aggressively, because we're still around that hourly support. So although I'm watching the 15 here, I'm painting the picture of how this hourly is forming. So although the 15 is leaving wicks, the hourly is currently leaving a 20 pip wick. So this is the original trade. How's that 30 looking? 30's failing to flip bearish, which is fine. Makes me think we can come and grab it. But I personally am very happy with the management on this trade. I'm glad to not be sitting in that much drawdown. Just in case anyone joins the stream, we're already out. I'm just leaving it on to see how it would have gone. See how it would have gone if I hadn't managed. Because I like to do that. But that was like, we cut it at like minus 3 pips half risk. So very, very good. Very, very good. Minus 2 pips. But I was quite an aggressive trade. That's why I managed so aggressively. Momentum play, sell, gold. What time is that? 8:40 London time. On the 7th of June. See, look at that. That would be sitting in drawdown. Liquidity gold on the 1 minute, looking for a sell. Maybe. Look how quiet it's gone. It's gone so quiet around this support. Oh, I'm almost missing oil. Oil. See, this is the level where you had to start managing. So if I was in this, if anyone did take this oil sell, if I was in this oil sell, I would be managing very, very soon. But if it breaks below there, amazing. But if it now flips back up in this current 5 back to break even, I would be cutting oil the same as well. Minus 5 pips. Fucking hell. So you probably wouldn't even want to be break even on oil. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. Been on for 2 hours. Just took a very, very small L there. I'm still not off the cards on gold. If the gold does flip back above this level, we close back above this level in this 30, then your hourly is going to be leaving a nice wick to potentially run some highs. But if we close below it, we may just spike up, grab this 30 high, and then I could look to actually take it back down into this low. But yeah, it started to go quiet. You know, the 5 minute broke above our level, flipped back below. If there's true volume and true momentum in the markets during that time, you just get a beautiful drive like we've had before. But when it starts to stall straight away, that's when I have to manage aggressively, because I've seen this happen too many times. And my best trades when I take these 5 minute fake outs are when this 5 minute just flips and has a beautiful drive. And if it doesn't have that drive, then I understand that, accept it, and just manage it. And that's all we can do. Like I said on my reel on Instagram yesterday, you cannot control when the markets are quiet. You can just control the positions that you decide to take. Is there a way to show percentages on trades in MT4? You could probably find a plugin somewhere. I'm not sure though, man. I'm not sure. You can probably find it somewhere. That was minus, but I'll just call it minus 2 pips. Alright, 5 more minutes to this candle is going to close. Yeah.
What's everyone up to today then?
Making bank. Well, trying to.
Oh.
Trying to.
I've already made one. I got a couple of grand in.
I'm just chilling there, man. What about you? What are you up to? Oh, you'd be out break even.
I got work at 2.
See on SRC story. Oh, I think that's. I know you can show the pips. You can get it so it shows the pips. I know that much.
Yeah, on the screen thingy.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
that.
I like that.
It's quite cool, yeah. You can do it on here if you trade on TradingView. You can show it to show money in ticks or percent here.
Oh, thanks.
Ticks. Look at this gold back down. Let's see how this 5 is going to close. If this 5 is going to close bearish, this is going to leave a nice wick, and this is what we want to see. I'm going to look for re-entry soon. What would we have sat in? We would have sat in around 10 pip drawdown. Alright, let's just hide this out of the way for now. Put that back on after. See how this 5 is going to close. They're now looking nice. Still though, I think if this closes like this, I think we could maybe even just grab maybe this one now. Let's see. Tell me yours. Yeah, you can have it, man. You can have it. Just sitting downstairs. Message me on Discord, man. You can have it. It's all yours. It is all yours.
Is this?
Friday
Still
giveaway.
don't trust this current 5 minute though.
No, neither, man. Neither. I got to see it close. What's this little 5 minute range here? 5 minute, add a little liquid to grab, retest. See if we're going to break this little very, very minor support. Very minor support. 30 minute to wick support or previous high. I have to see really. See how this 5 is going to close. I have to see how this 5 closes and then how this starts to form. But this hourly is actually breaking the support nicely now. So this hourly was looking like a wick, and this last 5-minute candles completely changed everything.
Mm.
And the last 5 on gold are typically the most manipulative, which is good, which is what you want. See, there's 15 now. Could be nice. I still think we can come and short down into this low. I really do. I don't really want to get chopped up on this 5, but if I get the entry, I will still short gold down into that low. We're hovering around just over break even on the day so far, so I don't want to go too crazy before New York. But if we get a good setup, I will take it.
I'm looking back.
Anyone trade in New York today?
Yeah, boy. I will. I'll trade it, man.
I go there, sorry.
I was.
My meeting.
I'm not interested anymore.
Oh, don't be like that.
We can.
No, great.
So I was going to jump on a.
Disciplinary in work.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no! Alan's getting fired.
I got a meeting, a verbal warning today.
Oh, full-time trader, full-time golfer. Here we come.
Yeah, so tomorrow you see big grin on my face. I was sacked.
They're watching you on YouTube live stream. As that 15 just closed. See, that 5 just closed with a wick. Not bad hourly close though. The hourly has broken below our level. You know, it's not the nicest close, but it has still broken. No top wick on this current hourly. This previous hourly high does interest me to grab before taking this flip down lower. So let's see. Oil bounced off that support, instant push back up, back into the range. Streaming US. Yeah, if we get some volume. I was going to stream it yesterday, and then like neither of them did absolutely anything. We just stayed in these ranges. So we're here. If we get some good volume and some trades setting up there, then yeah, absolutely we'll jump on, man. We will jump on. Okay, I'm pretty much hovering around break even so far this week.
Yeah, I haven't taken anything.
Man.
My forward testing on GU's like been fantastic, but nothing on my live account.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good though. Sticking to the plan. How do I get this up? How do I share my screen and show my current top step? The current progress on this so far. Having a really nice run, and then yeah, this week's just kind of stalled a bit.
Well, what's that?
This is my top step dashboard.
Let me take a screenshot.
Whoa. The fuck is that? So yeah, had a really nice start run to it. Hit like 1,000 in profit within the first 3 days. Had a little dip. That was actually because I fucked up, and then had a nice push. And then yesterday was break even. No, sorry, that's the day before. Yesterday was like plus $100, basically break even, and then today we're still hovering around break even. So yeah, this week for me has just been sideways for now, but yeah, one day can change anything. But it's a really clean dashboard.
Holy shit, I got all your windows open and you were on about me.
Oh, I usually have fucking way more than this as well. Hey, don't look at that. There could be some.
Why did you say?
What's these dodgy? Go on your internet and type in share screen. Start typing in Portugal, but just type in POR, and just show us all for a second.
Yeah. I deleted my history, so it doesn't work anymore.
Told you about the secret browsers.
the secret algorithm.
Can you trade off MT4, or is it got to be done through TradingView, Aaron?
Just you can do it on. You can't do MT4. MT4 is just for FX, but you can do it on TradingView, or you can do it here. I personally do it here. I like having it separate personally. So like here I've got gold, here I've got oil up at the minute. I got NAS here as well, and this platform's really super simple. Like literally click, I can put a buy stop there. Click of a button, I can put sell limit. You know, I change my contract size here. If I want to market execute, then I just click that.
What platform is this?
So this is the Top Step and Tradeovate one. This is like the broker they use is called Tradeovate, and that's the one that you link it to
Okay.
on TradingView if you want to do it there as well.
Too easy.
Yeah, it's really, really simple. It's like literally just with a click of a button, I can just put in a buy stop, and if I want to close it, click of a button is closed. I don't have to touch my phone. You can get this on your phone as well, so you can trade this on the go if you ever need to. Or if you just trade straight off TradingView, then you've already got TradingView on your phone anyway. So, but yeah, this is really clean. How many days in? 9 trading days so far. So I've only had 9 trading days so far, and we're sitting up around like 1.7 thousand. But I have a 150 account ready to go soon, which I'm gonna try and set up a trade copy and just trade the 150.
Is that on YouTube?
I did. I don't know how many percent that is. I think it's about like 4% or something, almost 4% in 9 trading days. The past 3 have been fairly slow. But yeah, really nice start. Little dip, like minus 500 that day. That was just an error I did, and then push back up. But I'm gonna be switching to my 150k soon. I've just been using this to kind of get a feel for it all.
So when you say trade copy the futures,
Yeah.
does Smart Trader offer that as well, or are they just do FX?
Smart Trade, is that? I've only used Trader Social Tools.
Oh, sorry, that's what I meant.
Yeah. No, I think that is. I know how to do it. Sorry, I know there's a way to do it. I don't know how to do it yet, but I don't think you can do it on Trader Social Tools or Social Trader Tools, whatever it's called. But there is a way to do it because I've seen other people do it as well. But I think it might be something else. You just need 4%. No, you need 6%. 6%. So my target is on a 50k account it's 3,000. And on 150 it'll be 9,000. So like I'm over halfway there in 9 trading days, which is nice.
Show off.
I mean, you're already up like 2,000. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, I'm already up, man. Yeah. Use Rhythmic Trader. Oh, nice one, George. Thank you, man. I'll take a look. Put your trades first. Nice. And with Top Step, you can have like multiple accounts as well. I just did the 50 to get a feel for it, and I'm just gonna go to the 150 soon. But so far, genuinely one of the best ones I've used. Oh, gold, have a nice push.
Goldie.
A nice push. See, our original trade would have got stopped out there if we didn't manage. What do they look at when determining if you pass the evaluation? Exactly the same thing, man. Just consistency. So same rules. And there's I think the minimum trading days is like 2 or something. So it's like you could be funded in a week if you somehow were a very good trader.
If you're a good trader.
Either a good trader or lucky to get funded in a week. But look at gold with the push now. Grabbing them highs. Morning, Aaron.
I'm gonna have to let you leave you because
All good, man.
Go to the bathroom.
All good, man. All good.
So, peace out. Stay safe.
Take it easy, man.
That. Keep the love going.
Always.
And, keep it real.
Love you, bye.
See ya.
Love you. Oh, I love you. Bye.
Morning, Aaron. Any trades taken? Just joined. Yeah, we had a gold sell, man. Let me show you the gold sell we had. Had this gold sell closed here. Original stop was here after this 5-minute flip bearish, but I manually closed here, and now it's ripping back up. So it was a very, very good management there. And now I'm seeing how we're going to react. Now that we're around this 30, and I'd like to short it down into this low. So let's see how we're going to close. Do you have to pass both challenges within 1 month to avoid paying other monthly fee? Yes, you do, yeah. So if you pass it in 1 month, you know, both, then you don't have to pay anymore. But if it takes you 2 months, you pay 2 months. It takes you 3 months, then you just pay 3 months. Which is what I like, and it's way cheaper than, you know, FTMO and all that stuff. And you can pay like, I think it's like $50 you can pay to get like a reset. If you ever break a rule at some point, you get a reset and you just reset that stage. So like if you get all the way to, you know, a live account and then you break a rule, you don't have to go straight back to square one like you do with all these other prop firms, which I think is a terrible rule. You just pay for like $50 for a reset, back to stage 2, and you can be funded again by the end of the week, which I think is very, very good. And to do like a 50 is like, it was like $165. What's the ratio? What do you mean, man? The ratio of what? Oh, this is a nice push on gold. Profit sharing, so you keep the first 10,000 of whatever you make. First 10,000 is completely yours. It used to be 5,000, and then they've recently changed it to keep the first 10,000, which is very, very good. And then yeah, after that, then it's a 90-10. So you keep 90%, they take 10. So you keep all of your first 10,000, then after that, 90-10.
That's almost unbelievable, eh?
Well, honestly, man, that's like literally, well, like I very rarely advocate for any of these funding firms, but this funding firm, it's like, it's made by an actual X4 futures trader. It's not made by some random kid with, you know, bullshit rules that are very hard to meet. Like they're like a company that actually wants to see traders do well, which is so refreshing to actually finally find. They've been around for 10 years as well, which is crazy.
Right. I only heard of them through you.
Yeah, I'd heard of them before, but because I traded FX a lot more, I just didn't bother. But recently, the fact that I've like basically just been trading gold, I'm like, intraday trading, if I can keep this account just for gold, then I think it's much nicer. But like, I think people hear about futures and get a bit like scared out, don't really know what to do, but like it's honestly like exactly the same. Like technical wise, obviously everything we're doing on the charts is identical to what we do, and then entering positions, you probably just find your feet a little bit, test out a little paper trading account, give it a trial, but you pick it up very, very quick. But yeah, it's created by actual X floor traders from Chicago, which is very good. And they used to have like there was a daily loss limit of 1,000, and if you hit that, then that would be breaking a rule and you have to pay for the reset. But they recently just removed that rule as well. So you now, if you hit your daily loss limit of 1,000, then you just have to stop trading for the day and then come back again tomorrow. So it's really good if you lose 1,000 in a day, like I've done out in FTMO before. You want to keep trading, whereas with these guys, if you hit your daily drawdown, you don't lose your account, you just have to stop trading for the day, which I think is good. Angel, I'm not actually sure, man. I can ask. I'll ask, man. I will ask. But you guys in the community, there's a link, because I am working with them, where you get 20% off It's the one I posted in the community.
Man, everything's completely reversing. GJ,
I know,
gold,
man.
GU.
Look at this push on gold. This is crazy. Oh, Angel, that's a banger, man. Stop sharing me that. I want to see that. That's a banger. Banger, banger. Yeah, the GJ reverse again. Oh, yeah, huge one. Anyone catch that run on GJ? 15? No, not really. Oil still interests me. We're getting some good volume here, though. That's why I'm not going to call it a day just yet. I'm happy to sit around. But good job on that trade, though, Angel. That's a very, very nice position. That's a textbook play right there. You get that liquidity grab, you get that strong 5 minute, beautiful bottom wick flip, instant profit. It's very nice. Is that on the 5? Or is that on the 15 maybe? Wait, no, 5, yeah. Yeah, that there. This is the position Angel's got. So you must have got probably the break of this high like this. Yeah. Beautiful. Fake out confirmed. Price re-breaks the high. Rips. Similar to what I was kind of doing here. Little fake out. If this candle had flipped, I would have had the exact same setup here, just inverted. How do I invert my charts again? Yeah, see here. Here. Literally would have been this here, would have been exact same here. If this candle had flipped, we would have had the exact same setup. Very nice play, man. Very, very nice play. Sorry, which prop firm are you referring to? I'm referring to Top Step. Yeah. That's the one I was showing you guys, the dashboard. It's the one I'm using at the minute. Thank you, dude. All learned from you. Good man. Really, really nice play. Textbook play, man. Textbook play. Good job. Oil. What are you up to? Has that 15 just closed in oil? Ooh, nice and strong. Are we going to get a potential flip on oil here? Let me get this oil chart up just in case. 15's just closed very strong gold as well, I assume. Yeah, really nice. Has he broken out of this little range? Come up and feel the highs. Fully broken these highs now. Let's see how this is going to close on oil. Grab that previous 5 minutes. As long as we don't break below that previous 5 minute, this oil could have a flip. How long? I've got 6 minutes. Alright guys, give me 2 secs. I'm just going to grab a quick drink. The lower gold pushers, the more inclined I'm to potentially take this gold 15 push back to the highs. If this can push down a little bit more. What you got, 30 pips there, 15 pips there. That could actually be nice. If this 5 minute closes doji, next 5 minute comes and grabs the low, you could see the play. Can you still trade gold on there? Yeah, you can still trade gold, man. That's what I'm trading. That's what I'm really interested in trading these days is gold. Do you offer training on how to trade and place futures? I have it in one of my previous YouTube videos, man. Let me find it. It's honestly it's very easy to figure out. I'll show you. Let me just find the video. Because I was trading futures. I was day trading Nasdaq futures back in the very start of the year as well. I was trading Nasdaq in London session. It was great, and then the volume in London kind of died out, so I went back to trading gold. Let me show you. Yeah. Let me pop it up. Let me just show you guys quickly. I'll show you guys here for you ones on YouTube. I just want to see it here quickly. Let me find it. I'll show my screen properly. Here. So that's it. That's the way I'm trading it. So I got my account up there, got the contract size here. So on a 50k, I'm trading between like about two contracts on gold. And then, you know, it's just as simple as like if I want to put in a buy, it's just you go there, I got my buy stop. If I want to put in a sell stop, then I got my sell stop there as well. You can just manually execute here. You got all your dashboard there. I've got gold here, oil here, NASDAQ here for later on. Or you can just execute directly from TradingView. But in terms of like trading futures, like it's honestly it's the exact same, and there's no spreads, so you don't get shitty fills like you do on FX. Like if it doesn't break a high, you don't get for the most part tagged in with a shit entry. Oh yeah, it's just got showing the guys on YouTube. I mean, if you guys want to see it as well, I'll show you. I always show you guys, but yeah. So it's just there. Like, it's been so many times when if I trade like these flips and like spreads will tag you in, but you don't get any of that. The feels here and the execution's so much better. Like you just put it there and it'll be there, and you can just drag your order wherever you want it, and you see it working up the top, and then that's it, done. Or if I just want to, you know, just put in one order and then scale in, you can do that as well. Can you use MT5? No, man, it's not. It's completely away from MetaTrader. Completely away from it. So you can use this. You can use NinjaTrader. You can use TradingView. So you could literally just execute straight from TradingView as well if you want to, which I think's a game changer. I personally, for some reason, just like having on a separate screen. But you can literally have it here. You go down to, let me just put my screen back. Yeah, so if you guys who are gonna maybe like just day trade like just gold, or like for me, I'm watching oil, I'm trading NAS and US. Like I haven't scalped FX in a while, so it makes no sense for me to trade it on an FX broker. And in terms of prop firm, these give a lot more. So if you want to trade it here, just you literally have your trading panel here, and I could log into it now. Where's brokers? Here, TraderBait. So you just connect it there. You link your account, and then where is it? You can have your. So if you go here, trading, you've got your buy and sell buttons. You can put your buy and sell buttons. You can show it if it shows. You want to show money, ticks, orders. You can show your executions that you've taken. You can literally just come right here, and you can put in your buys and sells there, or you can literally click that buy, click that sell. So you can trade literally straight from TradingView.
I mean, on gold's taking the previous 5 minute
Yeah,
low.
this could be nice,
About
but
the top week.
yeah, this could be nice. 15 could be nice. I'd probably say you could even consider this split, but I think I would wait for the break of the 15 high just so you don't get manipulated.
Hello.
Yo, man.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Oh. Are we just saying hello? Am I audible? Yeah, we can hear you, man. Can hear you. Is gold looking good to buy long? Yeah, potentially. And we've got 2 more 20 minutes to the second close with 5 minutes grabbing that previous 5 minute low. Let's see how this 5 is going to flip bullish. I'd take the break of, normally I would take the break of this high, but with the way that's been this morning, I'd probably wait for the break of this high.
Hello.
Hey, man.
Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you, man.
Yeah, so I just wanted to ask, like, is there an option of using some specific risk on TradingView with top step?
It's just the exact same of like the contract size.
No, instead of contract size, can we use like a specific percentage of risk, like 1% of the account, and just sets your automatic size of the trade?
Yeah, you could work it out by like testing, like however, like on average, what would a 15 pip stop loss be of like one contract? So for like a 50k account, I've found like 2 contracts is a good size. If I take 2 contracts and catch like 20 pips, we're talking about like $350, $400.
Alright.
So like 1 contract, 10 pips stop loss, probably you're talking about like around 100.
Mm-hmm. I get it. Yeah.
And then the max you can have on a 50k is 5 contracts at a time. About 5 contracts is huge, especially on NAS. NAS you on trade 1 contract max, for me anyway.
Yeah, NAS is very volatile.
Yeah, NAS is a different level. Look at that 15 on oil, man. Holy. Let's just see. This gold is getting interesting. How long we got? How's this 30 starting to? Yeah, 30 is looking aggressively bullish now, which is nice. Very, very nice. Big patience game this week though. Big patience week. So far anyway. 1 candle can change everything.
Yep, 2 more days to go.
Yeah, plenty of time, man. Plenty of time.
Are you streaming US today?
Yeah, if we get some nice volume, man, some nice setups, definitely. Absolutely. I was going to jump on yesterday, but the price literally did nothing, so it wasn't even worth it. But if we get a setup, yeah, I'll be here, man. So no reason why we can't.
Yeah, 2 crappy PAs.
Yeah, man. Because we got to make some bank today. So now gold is closed back above the support. Waiting for the 5 minute to wick some lows, buy stops above. Yeah, pretty much, man. Pretty much. 15's closed above our level. Currently retesting. If this 15 can reflip bullish, we could see a nice drive. On the 5 minute on the bottom right, 5 minutes just grabbed the previous low, which is what you'd want to see before a push up. No bottom wick on this current 5 though. So we've liquidated that previous 5 minute low here. So as long as this 5 minute low gets respected, gold could see a nice push. So I am watching this very closely. And we've got 5 more minutes. This 30 is going to close as well. See this 5, if this 5 doesn't push up and close strong, there's no bottom wick yet. This 15 low could get grabbed first. So that was the 30 minute high that got grabbed. So now this is the one of interest. Are we re-breaking that high just yet? Not yet, not yet, not yet. Starting to now. No bottom wick on this 5 though, so I can't take it just yet. The reason I'm not jumping into this 5 is because this 5 has no bottom wick and this is an aggressive push up first. So this could be a top wick to then create a bottom wick. So I have to see a bottom wick created first before I can jump in longs. Oil completely reversing. Oil's on an absolute wild ride today. Look at that 30. Holy shit. How's it looking? Oh, now it could be juicy. 15. Bam, 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 bam. How many people we still got on YouTube? 41 people on YouTube. Guys, remember, drop a little like for the stream. We could have a play here soon on Goldie. Just see his 5 minutes wicking now. If this 5 had created a bottom wick first and then flip bullish, amazing, I would take the break. But look, this could be a top wick now before coming lower.
Any potential targets for the longs?
Probably first target has to be here because it's such a big level. But if you can re-break that, then you could come up here. But now that we're broken back into this range, it does become very, very difficult.
I'm looking around 61, I guess.
Yeah, that's nice, man. 1961's nice. How's this 5? I've got one more minute. How's this 5 going to close? It's the last 5 of the 30 as well.
Although this week's good with risk management, I guess.
What was that, sorry, man?
This week's been good with risk management.
Yeah,
Just
gotta be,
stay
man.
patient all over.
Yeah, has to be, man. Whenever gold's in these ranges, we have to manage aggressively, and more aggressive than normal, because shit like this, like look at this, like here. If we didn't manage this position here, we would have taken a full L. So it's very, very good management.
We lost easily every trade we would have taken.
Yeah, management's been on point. Trade management's very, very important. I've got 40 more seconds. How's this 5 gonna close in 25 seconds? Oh fucking hell, man, look at oil. Holy shit. Look at that wick. Wowee. That's completely flipped. That is crazy. What's GJ up to? Not much. Did anyone take that rip on GJ? That was actually not quite nice after it wicked them lows. Wicked them lows. Boom. Very nice. Alright, 5 minutes just closed on... 5 minutes just closed. Yeah. 15 just closed doji, but it is still trading above this resistance. Let's see if we can grab the 15 low before creating a top wick. So the 15 low is 1915, around here. So if we can grab this 15 low, then I would look for this 15 flip here. But this 15 has just closed doji. How's that 30 just closed? Nice and strong. Really nice strong 30 close there. So if we can grab some lows, I'm going to look for this flip. Thoughts on AJ? Let's take a look, man. Take a look. Pretty messy. Very messy. AJ got a little level there. I don't really trade this pair too much. Only got a little level there. Little level there. Quite a lot of noise. You'd probably have to wait for it to break these highs or break these lows. If you broke the lows, you could probably short it back down into that little double bottom right there. Looks quite nice. If you re-break the highs, then you can maybe take it higher. Grabbing that previous 5 minute low. How's that 30 looking? 30 is retesting that support, but where's stops going to be? Ah, oil. I don't like how that 15 closed doji.
Took the previous candle low.
Yeah, I think so. It had to be at least like maybe down here. Unless we can like re-break the previous 15-minute high, then you can probably have like that. You probably got to play up into what, 1961? It's not the biggest range. It's a very small range actually. Like literally anywhere in these levels, it becomes so fucking difficult. Do you use sell by limit or sell by stop? I use stop orders, man. Stop orders. I never use limit orders. Gold's going higher. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. I would love to see this 15 low just quickly wicked out, and that would take the break of the highs. Because the 30 has closed really strong, but if you go off the 30, then you have to have 30 stops. I don't want to trade gold in this range with a 36 pip stop. That's crazy. Way too big.
Way too big.
Yeah, we ain't here for that. Probably I give it until 10 AM London time. Been on for almost 3 hours.
What's the time over
It's 6:30 in the evening, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 6:30 in the evening. GJ buys would have been nice. Yeah, Ron, it was nice, man. It was really nice. Oh, oil would have been nice as well. Re-breaking that high. Fuck, I just took my eye off oil for a second. Yeah, oil would have been a nice flip there. Damn, I took my eye off that for a second and that's gone. Oil was a wild horse. But yeah, GJ would have been nice. GJ literally liquidated that low he want. 5 minute create back above, close back above, sorry. If this had created bottom wick first, could have taken that, break that high. Then you would have had, boom, 35. Well, I mean, you'd probably be scaling out already. Just 30 has now just retested that low, so if we re-break them highs, then you could have stops below the current. So you'd be looking for something like that. Oh, fuck, oil, man. Took my eye off oil for a second. Fuck. Would have been a good snipe. Yeah, man, would have been, oh, man. Literally, this candle would have created that bottom wick first, and the 15 closed strong. Literally there, you'd be done out. I took my eye off that for a second, and it's completely ripped. Fuck, that's crazy. That's oil for you though. Oil is one hell of a commodity to trade. But yeah, that would have been an absolute banger. Strong 5 minute close there on gold. So even if you take the flip on oil now, stops are going to be way too crazy. But yeah, that was a fucking a banger. I wish I could have seen that in real time. Go back and see how it formed. If that had created that bottom wick first, after that 15 completely flipped, that would have been ugh. And that 30 as well. We gotta start watching oil, man. Fucking hell, that 1 minute, that 1 5 minute, oh man, huge. Why did that much of oil shoot in? That's just oil, man. It can just have crazy good volume. Like even on this 30, like it's hardly even moved. But on the 5, it can have banging moves, man. Really good moves up into them highs. Bounced off that support. Boom. So you can, if you haven't had your level like that, broke it, retested it. Booming. If it re-breaks the highs, bro, continuation back up into there. But it stops to be too big. Someone's filled their G-Wagon. How many pips would this stop be on gold? I'm watching this gold. Oh, I would have been out, done. That was an insane flip. But this is why I'm watching oil more. I used to love trading oil back in the day. I want to start scalping it more. No, there's nothing. How did DAX move today? Not much.
Right, fellas, I'm taking a break. I'll see you back here.
Yeah, all good, man. Enjoy. Talk to you soon, man.
No worries.
See you, mate. Off tonight, Aaron. See you tomorrow. See you, man. See ya. I'm personally sitting in for a little bit more. Personally, I'm gonna wait till we get to the hour, which will be 10 AM London time. That'll be my cut-off point. Let's see if this gold can have this nice little rip and re-break them highs. And I'll put this order in soon on gold if this can start to throw signs of rejection. This 5 minute grabbed that previous 5 minute low, closed bullish. So if this 5 minute can reflip bullish, gold may have a nice drive as long as we respect that low. And I'll put in another order at half risk in a second. Oh, we got 1 more minute. If it re-breaks the lows, then you wouldn't want to take it. But let's just wait for the 5 to close. So it starts throwing rejections around these signs, around these levels on on gold. As long as we don't re-break this low, this is the low that liquidated the previous low. So as long as we don't re-break this, we can still flip. But if gold now re-breaks this low, then you got the potential to come back down and grab that 15-minute low, which is that one there. That's the 15 low there. Let me get rid of this now. How long we got? 1 more minute. We've got 1 more minute to have this drive. Any signs of rejection on gold here? I'm going to look for this flip. Flipping pretty bearish now. 20 more seconds. Oil starting to stall. Yeah, gold's just flipping back bearish, which is fine. Goldie. What a day. What a day.
Now and close completely bearish.
Yeah, man. Look at that. Five just flipped completely bearish. Let's just see. They're coming into the last 5 of this 15 now as well. Let's see how this 15 is going to close.
Starting to range now.
Yeah, man. Teasing us with volume again. What a day. What a day.
What a week.
Yeah, what a week. Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm going to give it another 20, stay on for another 20 minutes. See how this 15 is going to close.
Yeah.
And then...
Still we can look for some longs like after grabbing the previous 15 minute low.
Yeah, as soon as we can grab that, then it could get interesting again.
See? Now it's turning.
Yeah, now it's starting to pull back up. There's that 30 looking. On the 15-minute gold high wicks. Yeah, big wicks, big wicks. If it grabs that previous 15-minute low, then I'll consider taking another stab at some longs, potentially. Ron's joining back. How many people we got? Fifteen, 2 more minutes. This 15 is going to close. This 5 is going to be key. This 15 on oil is looking solid. All right, how's this 5 going to close? But this is the longest I've sat on in a while. In a good while. Oh, 3:42 AM. Oh shit, man. Yeah, all good, man. Yeah, that's what I was just saying. I very rarely stay on this late as well. I'm usually done within the first 1 to 2 hours. So if something doesn't come up in the next by this hourly close, yeah, I'm done as well, man. No, I usually watch it this long. My dog's downstairs. Like, what the fuck's going on? I thought we were going for a walk. Oil. So if this next 15, see this 15 is now closing doji. If this next 15 opens, grabs this 15-minute low, then we could still get this 30-minute continuation, wrong chart, 30-minute continuation back up into these highs up here. So this 30-minute will close like this. And if this 30-minute can flip bullish, breaking this level, retesting if it can continue, amazing. So much chance, I haven't taken a trade, nothing suitable for me yet. Just enter, waiting for. Yeah, that's good though, man. Antonio, that's good, man. Nothing wrong for playing the waiting game. If you're not jumping in trades, you're also not taking losses. So, smart move. So I flipped my schedule to night time. So yeah, that's good, man. London's my favourite too. But yeah, it's very rare that I even stay on this long. I've been on YouTube for almost like 3 hours now. I'm usually done within the first, like I say, hour and a half, 2 hours max. I'm just holding it out for this next 15. 5 minutes just look bullish, bearish, bullish. 15 just closed doji. So it needs to come and grab one of these previous 15-minute lows for me to want to consider. Oil having that push. But yeah, this hourly is looking strong as strong. Came down to all of this hourly support, ripping back up. Hourly's about to close very, very strong. Caught that GJ bang. It's still holding runner portion. Good shit, man. Yeah, GJ had a beautiful push, man. Really, really good push. Really good push. Literally liquidated them lows that we mentioned on the 30, I believe it was. Yeah, liquidated them lows, completely ran higher. They're very, very nice. How many pips do we move after that? Yeah, 50. Huge, man. Huge. That hourly is probably looking very nice. Yeah, beautiful. There's that 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. Still respecting the support. Just wick the previous low. Really nice push. Hold some runners, maybe back up into here, or maybe we back up into like 174 could be a nice level. As long as you're taking some partials, who gives a shit? But yeah, I'm just waiting for this hourly close to see if we get something. If not, I'm gonna take my dog for a walk, get some fresh air, and then see what US is saying later on.
Oops, it's flying.
Yep, she pushing. No entry for me though. No entry for me. It's a shame we didn't snipe this drop, because this drop would have been the play. That was the play we wanted.
This drop would have been too early for me, I guess.
Yeah, what time was it? It was 7 AM.
Yeah, this drop started like for me 6 in the morning.
Oh shit! Yeah, that's early. Five, re-breaking the highs. 30-minute pushing higher. Nah, it's not grabbed any 50-minute lows. Yeah. I'm gonna call it there, guys. Nothing else now is gonna be of interest. We didn't grab the previous 15-minute low, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave it do its thing and come back in like 2-3 hours, see what US is saying, and we'll jump on again then. Thanks.
Alright, yeah,
no
bye.
worries. Yeah, cool guys. Talk to you soon. Chat to you guys in Discord. See you guys. Bye bye. YouTube guys, I'm gonna wrap up there. Great training session today, longer than normal. But yeah, gold is just stuck in these little annoying levels, and unfortunately there is nothing we can do as long as gold trades in them levels. Kind of just gotta let it do its thing. But that's me done now for London. I'll come back again in US, see what US is saying. If we get some volume, amazing. Tomorrow, for you guys, Thursday, we'll be doing the Asian stream. So I'll trade Asia tomorrow if you guys are about, want to jump on it with me. I'll see you guys in the Asian session. But if you guys did enjoy today's stream, remember, drop a little like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.